Okay, so I am going to clean this nasty fridge. You see how black it is? That's from kids and people grabbing the door handle when it's wet. Now I am going to use the environmental cloth first, as you can see. So it may just take a little scrubbing, but as you can tell, it's getting those spots off. And all that I have on this cloth is just water. Just plain old water. As you can tell, my cloth is kind of dirty. I've used this to clean my microwave. Now, things may not come super spotless clean right away, which is fine. You gotta remember, it's the first time using it. So as you can see, this spot is really dirty. And all that's on it, like I said, is just water. And look at that, just wipe away. No chemicals or anything. See how nice and clean that is? With just plain old water. Now, you may have to scrub just a little bit, but hey, that's not that hard, is it? So I'm trying to get this door handle clean. As you can tell, it's very messy. Okay. So now, see how clean that fridge is? The door handle's still a little dirty, but that's all with just water. Just plain old water. See, that's all clean there. And then